Hi everybody, it's Kelly here from Green Acres Nursery and Supply, and I received this hanging basket and it is a diamond in the rough. I'm so excited because one man's trash is another man's treasure. So I'm going to take this, dead thing and we're gonna make it beautiful. That's the fun of hanging baskets, is you can have them all season long. They don't have to stay looking like this. They can be refreshed and rehabbed so simply. So let's show you today how to do that. So the first step would be to take these hooks off, and they're really simple to put back on. You might need to use a little muscle to get off one part of them if they're on pretty tightly. But the next step really is just removing what is inside, and thankfully with this one it's actually just kind of a mound of roots and it's pretty dried up. So that just popped out very simply. So I'm gonna just get rid of this, the dead material. It's gonna go in the compost bin. So you're left with just your cocoa liner and some plastic, and then I'm gonna fill it with some fresh soil here. So I have this awesome green all potting soil mix. I'm gonna dump it right in. And the sky's the limit with hanging baskets. Really the only thing you need to keep in mind is what sun you have your hanging basket in. So is it in full sun, part sun? Is it in full shade? Okay, so I removed the dead plants, and you want to fill up the soil pretty high, which I added a little bit more soil, and now you're gonna pick your plants. You want a thriller, a filler, and a spiller. And those are just simple ways to think about the type of plants you want to include in your recipe, so that you have just an even approach as it grows in. So this is going to be my thriller. This is an osteo, and I really love the color on it. It's called Coral Magic. So that's my thriller in the middle. And then I'm going to use the portulaca, which is also a full sun plant, to fill in around the sides. And this one also trails. So I'm gonna make some holes around and fill this one in, and then finally I'm gonna use the Silver Falls dichondra, and that one is beautiful. That one falls off the side too. So and my overall goal for this container is to be in a full sun location. So the good thing is I've chosen all plants that are tolerating full sun. So let's see what it looks like when it's all done. All right, so we planted up our brand new hanging basket, and I'm so thrilled with how it turned out. I'm gonna show you how it looks. We put some dianthus in as some filler. We did the portulaca, which is the little kind of green spiky looking plant, and that's gonna trail over, and it has some bright fun summer color flowers. And then in the middle is our osteo. And then the dichondra is the last one that's also a spiller. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's great for full sun, but with any hanging basket, really the sky's the limit. I could put strawberries in this for the spring and summer. In the winter time, I can, remove all of this and then do it with some winter annuals. I could do pansies that trail over. I could do a nice cyclamen in the middle. Really, it's whatever your imagination can come up with. We hope this was inspiring and that you got some ideas of how to make an old hanging basket upcycled into something new and fun.